Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan kami dari kelompok 5 yang akan menyampaikan materi dari CSS Creation Skill Course. Next. Notes. We will sometimes expect the link of both the TOEFL test and the computer test to find an answer that are not basic. This type of method really makes history of the essay mentioned or through the passage while answer. Maksudnya, kadang-kadang kamu akan diminta untuk melakukan untuk menemukan jawaban yang tidak sesuai dalam tulisan. Jenis pertanyaan berarti tiga dari jawaban dan satu jawaban. Next. You show that there are two kinds of answers to this type of question. One, there are two answers and one that is not true according to the passage. Two, there are two answers and one that is not mentioned in the passage. Kamu harus perhatikan bahwa jenis jawaban dalam pertanyaan. Satu, ada tiga jawaban benar dan satu yang salah. Dua, ada tiga jawaban benar dan satu yang tidak disebutkan dalam pertanyaan. Next. Look at the movie example for the actually find the one answer that is not true. Lihatlah contoh yang meminta Anda untuk menemukan jawaban yang salah. Example, for the people of the passage in English, there are many varieties of expression that propose a name of whose name unknown or not. The word kitchen is one such word. It was first used by the British sailor in the 1950s and first came from the French word desert, which was a small hook. It used the word at exit 3. The question is the following not true or bisa dilihat di bawah ada pilihan A, B, C, dan D. Next. This question asks for the one answer that is not true or the So, think of an answer and one answer is not. Dari pertanyaan yang tidak sesuai dengan kata dari tiga jawaban dan satu jawaban. You should and five. The answer is A, C, and D. Are all true according to the passage. This answer is correct. Answer B is the one answer that is not true. The passage and the word was first used by the British sailor Aegean and 50, which is in the middle of the 19th century. So answer B is the best answer. Next. Silakan.
Passage number 1, question number 1 sampai number 2. Blood plasma is a clear, almost colorless liquid. It consists of blood from which the red and white blood cells have been removed. It is often used in transfusion because a patient generally needs the plasma portion of the blood more than the other components. Plasma differs in several important ways from whole blood. First of all, plasma can be mixed for all donors and does not have to be from the right blood group, as whole blood does. In addition, plasma can be dried and stored, while whole blood cannot. Next. No. Number 1, all of the following are true about blood plasma except that answer A. Karena nomor 1 soalnya di situ disebutkan pilihan kecuali yang ada pada bacaan. Nah, di bacaan yang benar adalah colorless, sedangkan di pilihan A yaitu color red. Jadi jawabannya A. Number 2, which of the following is not stated about whole blood? Answer is D. Karena yang nomor 2 pertanyaannya yaitu mengenai darah secara umum, spesifik plasma, jadi memang jawabannya D. Karena jawaban D memang karakteristik plasma darah. Next. Nah, PC and 4.
Until 4. Until
4. Page 2, question 3 until 4. Elizabeth Cochrane Seaman was an American journalist at the turn of the century who wrote for the newspaper New York World under the pen name Nellie Bly, a name which was taken from the Stephen Foster song Nellie Bly. She achieved fame for her exposes and in particular for the bold and adventuresome way that she obtained her stories. She felt that the best way to get the real story was from the inside rather than as an outside. Observers who could be treated to predictive version of reality on one occasion she pretended to be a thief so that she would get arrested and see for herself how female prisoners were really treated. On another occasion, she faked mental illness in order to be admitted to a mental hospital to get the real pictures on the treatment of mental patients. Next. Number 3, which of the following is not true about Nelly Bly? Nomor 3 jawabannya B. Pilihan B dijelaskan di bacaan yaitu faked, seperti berpura-pura. Sedangkan di pilihan B tidak dikatakan mempunyai penyakit mental. Number 4, which of the following is not mentioned as something that Nelly Bly did to get a good story? Answer number 4 is D. Number 4 memang tidak dijelaskan di bacaan. Jawabannya yaitu pilihan D. Karena pilihan A, B, C dan semua ada semua di bacaan. Dan tidak juga dikatakan jika subjek jadi dokter seperti yang dijelaskan di pilihan D. Lanjut, Azizah.
Basic 3, question 5 until 6. Dekanawida role as a supreme lawgiver in the Trohuis Street has given him the status of demigod within the Indian nation. Born into the Huron tribe, Dekanawida caused great fear in his parents, who tried to drown him in his youth after a property was made indication that he would bring great sorrow to the Huron nation. Dekanawida was to survive this attempted drowning, but later left his parents' home and tried to live among the Iroquois. One of his active famines with the Trojans was the institution of a law among the Trojans that virtuality and the blood finders among the nation families, wampun strings of bread made of polished shell was a valued commodity in the Trojan culture. According to Polisher established Dekanawida, wampun had to pay to the family of a murder victim by the family of the killer. Since the killer was also caught, the family of the killer had to pay the victim's family in wampun for two deaths. The death of the wounded victim and the death of the killer. Thus, three policies implemented by Dekanawida helped to establish him as a wise lawgiver to leader to the Trojan nation. 5. According to the basic, Dekanawida was not. Jawabannya D. Di bacaan dijelaskan tried, hanya mencoba tidak sampai drown. 6. Which of the following is not mentioned in the passage about Wampun? Jawabannya A, karena memang tidak dijelaskan di bacaan. Meskipun pilihan C lumayan menjebak juga, tetapi kalimat penjelas setelah kata Wampun sebelumnya bisa diabaikan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sekian dari kami. Jika ada kesalahan kata kami mohon maaf. Jika ada yang ingin bertanya, kami persilahkan. Dan